Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about a problem that many of us face in our daily lives, brownouts or power outages. You know how frustrating it is when you're in the middle of something important and suddenly the lights go off and your device stops working. You lose your work, your connection, and your peace of mind. And you never know when the power will come back on. That's why I decided to buy a power bank since power outages are frequent at our place. I purchased this BAVIN PC005S 50,000 mAh. It can charge your phone, tablet, or any devices that uses a USB cable. It's like having a backup generator in your pocket. Let's unbox it. It comes with a Type-C charging cable and a BAVIN Powerbank unit. I also like that it has a built-in handle. It has 3 input and 4 output parts. See here. It has a digital number indicator. You can also use it as a flashlight as it comes with a floodlight feature. Now let me test if it's working. Yes, it's charging. All USB ports are working fine.
Eventually,
After 4 days of using it to charge my iPhone, it still has 20+% battery. See here for an estimate of how many times you can use it to charge your phone. With the power bank, I don't have to worry about losing power anymore. I can work, study, play, or communicate without interruption. I can also use it when I travel or go outdoors. It's very convenient and easy to use. I highly recommend it.